What'd they do, Monkey Man? Did they take your blood, Monkey Man? Did they take your blood? You did so good, Monkey Man. Now we gotta wait for the doctor. Terra Novas. I swear every recap is just gonna be food.
Well, we're settling in, you know?
Yeah.
We can't do too much right now. I'm working 8 days in a row.
Well, hopefully the new company, you won't be working 8 days in a row, and we'll have time to actually do things and have more for the recap other than food.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go. We got bread. We got oil.
Mm-hmm.
And we got a wild Ian. Is it good?
All right.
Oh. I got a panfish. I didn't even catch.
Dropped it in.
And he like choked it. He literally
I think the
wanted
video
it.
is making it look bigger than it is. It's tiny, but
No, it is. It's tiny. Hold
like
on,
you
let me
could put
see.
that in a bowl.
Oh, okay. He's freaking
So what
me
are you
out
gonna
more
do
than the
now?
bass. Well,
I
I would like to eat him. He's so small.
don't think that's legal.
Oh no. I'm gonna take a selfie with my fish.
Here, I'll take.
Caught me a little panfish. Nice. Now my hook is stuck to my backpack, so I need to unhook and release the guy. Cute. I caught another sunfish. Oh. Let me see if we can. I'll have Ian hold my stick and then I'll get it out. He's bigger. Choo! Boys and girls and Chunk all the way over there. So we're doing some regular casting now. I was sight fishing earlier because you can see a bunch of sunfish up on the shore line here. There aren't any anymore. Maybe because the water's getting colder and they want to go hide. But yeah, we're casting now. I don't know if Ian caught it on camera, but that's a freaking alligator. Holy crap. That is insane. Oh my god, it's legit an alligator. Swimming. Oh my god. Tomato ramen. Yeah. High Point. Thank you. Green onions, buttered corn. Ooh,
Is there a reason that's on the side? Should I just dump it in? So how's your place?
It's good. Hold on.
How's that?
Ooh. Okay.
Yeah.
Hold on. This guy.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, don't try that. That's nasty.
And you know what? We typically like all things cucumber. Like cucumber juice,
Cucumber water,
cucumber water, cucumbers just themselves.
but not that. No. Like your food?
Oh, definitely a 10 out of 10. And typically this one comes with the egg thick noodles, but I got, because they had it, I got the wheat noodles, which I prefer. Show them yours. How's yours?
Mine's pretty good. I have the egg thick noodles, and it's supposed to be spicy, but it's not spicy. But it tastes pretty good.
Would you come here again?
Yeah, and I tell them to make it extra spicy. And I wouldn't get that.
Yeah. You want those? Why don't you get one? Oh. Those cucumbers. Whoa. They still got part of the stalk. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Oh, that's disgusting, Chunk.
Toss it.
I'm not gonna touch that thing. Here, move. Heel. Just got hotter. What are you doing?
Tell us what you're drinking. Show us what you're drinking over there.
Aren't you not supposed to show this on YouTube?
It doesn't matter.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
You're just showing what you're drinking. Victory Sour Monkey. Ooh. And how is it? Let's get a review.
Sour. What do you think of it?
I think it's sour too, but like not that type of sour. Not
sour.
Not flutter my eyes sour. Oh yeah. What are you doing? What are you guys doing? Oh, lovely. Hi.
Where we at? Where we at?
Another Broken Egg Cafe.
No, we're in Louisiana.
Oh, oops. Hi.
Where are we at?
We're in Louisiana.
Little Louisiana.
We're in the bayou.
The little bayou. Called Another Broken Egg Cafe.
What'd you get?
I got the Mardi Gras omelet.
And
Cinnamon roll French toast. We'll see how it is.
insert glutton picture here. I got crab cake Benedict.
We'll see how it is. This is our first time here.
I got orange juice, and I got some real apple juice.
Real apple juice. Real apple juice.
We already started digging in.
Oh, yeah.
I forgot to show you. So, crab cake Benedict with grits. This used to be 3 French toast cinnamon roll French toast
But
thingy, but they're all in his cheeks right now, if you see. They're all in his cheeks. And then the Mardi Gras omelette with city grits.
delicious.
We're back and we're fishing by Publix again. We were here yesterday, but we didn't record anything because it was boo-boo. Now that this little spot is empty, I'm gonna try to see if I can catch some sunfish. And I know there's little guys that like to hang out in the corner. So maybe I can catch some of those with my little net right here and use them as bait. So let's see. Oh, Ian did first cast already. What did you say about my spot?
It's trash. It sucks.
I will try again.
Look at the guitar.
Where are they going?
Guitar.
Where are we going?
Not guitar.
No, we're gonna go to the Walmart
We're gonna
pond.
go to the park over, or park, the pond over by Walmart. There was this guy yesterday. He was catching fish left and right when we were packing up the car last night right here.
Yeah, literally right over there.
I've been over there for how long now? Like 25 minutes?
Yeah.
30 minutes?
We've been here for like half an hour.
Yeah, I think he caught them all. I think he watched too much Pokemon.
Gotta catch them all.
Caught them all. So we're gonna go over there and see if he hasn't raided that pond yet.
Let's go to Walmart. Yeah, what are you eating?
Chorizo beans. Mmm.
Where are you?
Mama, see the taco? Taco mama?
Let's see your plate. So this one is
Alabama redneck.
okay.
Mama's chorizo and the cheesy beans.
Ooh, chips, salsa, and then beans. Chips, salsa, street corn, chorizo crunchy taco, and then the sizzler, right? Sizzler? The sizzler. And tea. First package, and it's coming from Mama. Hi, anak ko. Let's see what Mama sent, even though we know what Mama sent. So Mama sent snacks. She sent Choco Sticks, sweet corn chips. She sent me a letter from Costco and medicine that I needed. Say thank you, Mama. Unboxing of Wallers. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Open the package. Secured the package.
Oh.
Ooh. Delicious. Open this guy. Oh. Bam. Here we go. That sauce. Ooh! Ribs on ribs. Howdy.
What I caught.
Oh! Nice. Seaweed.
It's like a 1 ouncer.
1 ounce seaweed. So we're out here by Cabela's. You see Cabela's back there. We're fishing on the opposite side. Normally we fish over there by the hotel, but we're trying this side right now, and I think we're gonna end up moving back to where the hotel is. So we'll see. I did want worms because I did want to go to Lady Ann's to catch more sunfish, but Walmart didn't have worms when I went, so we're here. Hopefully he can get himself a bass. we'll see. I think we'll have better luck on the opposite side.
Definitely getting seaweed.
Seaweeds! Another one!
Not seaweed, it's pondweed.
Pondweeds! Another one! You have anything else to say before we maybe dispatch?
Dispatch ourselves?
Yeah.
Scary. Chunk got dispatched earlier today. He dispatched himself. He smacked his head on the door.
Yeah.
There's some news.
It was pretty hard. I was scared. But hopefully he's okay. We didn't take him with us, unfortunately.
He's at home recovering.
Sulking. We're on the other side of this lake pond. You can see the geese over there doing geese things. Yeah, this is where I caught my first bass, so fingers crossed that we can catch another one right over here. Ian's still at the car. He's rigging up, or we're doing a new knot, so let's see. We bought the Stranger Things pepperoni pizza. And we got slim chickens. Okay, this makes it look nasty. But they're buffalo wings, okay? They're buffalo. I don't know why they look yellow.
I mean, they kind of look yellow.
Yeah, that's true. They look like they have jaundice. All right, we're gonna test this pizza out. How is it?
Good, but it's not Jim and Nick's.
Yum.